Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, for those of you who follow my channel, you know last week I put out a video showing that I had a couple extra of the 2021 Morgans. I had a San Francisco and a Denver, and I was looking to see if somebody wanted to buy them or trade for them. And I think that it went pretty well. I ended up making a deal with somebody. From what I've heard, feedback from that person who I had not talked to before is that he's happy and I'm happy. And I told you a lot of times with trades, I look for a win-win situation. I want to find a situation where both people feel like they got a good deal. Not always easy to do, but something that I look to do because I think it's fun. I think trades are awesome, and I think it can be a way if somebody is, maybe heavy on another product they have that I want, or they may be a little short on cash and just looking to pick up something. I think it can be a cool way to work something out. But of course, I'm not opposed to selling either. It'd be alright to pick up a little extra cash. I could go find some other precious metals to buy. Anyway, enough about that. Why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I've got 3 of the 2021 American Silver Eagles. You can see them here. This is a proof coin, and an uncirculated coin. Now these are all type 2. I do not have the 2021 proof coin type 1. I only have the type 2s. But these came out a little while ago, and they sold out pretty quick. They sold out, I think, within a day. I don't remember now. There's been so many, rare coins being released from the U.S. Mint. It's hard to remember exactly how long they were out there and how many were out there. But if you follow along, you know that they were limited edition and sold quick. And for that reason, they have a little bit of a premium on them. And I am looking to, stay around fair market value. But I am also willing to work a deal as well. If you have something I like or need, then we'll probably strike a deal. All right. So I'm going to show them all to you, just so you can see what kind of condition they're in. And we will start with this one, which should be the San Francisco. Now, unlike the Morgans, where they put, San Francisco on the box, they didn't with these. So I believe we have 1 San Francisco and 2 West Point, but we'll take a quick look here. So as you can see, box is in perfect condition. Nothing wrong with this thing. No bent corners, no anything. Of course, they're the cheaper packaging that the Mint came out with. Alright, so here we go. We have a nice proof coin. Got the C of A in there. In beautiful condition. Light's bouncing off that white card pretty good, but you can see here, San Francisco. Alright, so it's got the C of A with it. Set this down over here. Let me move that there, put that there, okay. Alright, so here we go. Beautiful condition. It's a proof coin, so it's got that mirror finish. Let's pop it out of here. As you can tell, this packaging is, could be better. Let's just say that. You can push from the back. And it also has a little stand in there you can do, right? We won't do that right now. I just want to show you the condition of the coin. It's hard with this mirror on it. But I don't see any flaws in it. 2021 down here. Let me flip it over. Again, it's a type 2. Looks good. San Francisco Mint. You can see the S up there. Gotta watch reflection. Let me see if the coin cam will do anything here. Let's pop over to the coin cam here. Need to get a little bit of better focus on there. It's not what that thing looks like in real life. There we go. Hey, how about that, huh? That looks pretty good. So 2021, let's flip it over. Here's the eagle. And be careful, don't think that this smudge over by the eagle's head is anything. That's just a reflection from the light. And as you can see, as soon as I move it, it disappears. It looks flawless to me. But you're seeing what you'd be buying. So there is the, can I sharpen that up at all? Let me see if I can sharpen that image a little bit. The focus tends to fall out on this camera a little bit. There you go, huh? What a beautiful coin. All right. So that is the San Francisco Mint American Silver Eagle proof coin. So again, I got this little stand that you're supposed to be able to put it in if you want to display it like this, right? Gotta watch that reflection. Let me put it back in the box here real quick. You're supposed to be able to display it like that. All right. So we'll put the San Francisco Mint back in its case. Keep everything in really nice shape. Very proud of the way I treat my coins. All right. So there's one. San Francisco Mint. All right. So let's look at this one. This is going to be the West Point. Again, I just want to take a quick tour of the box. Box is in perfect condition. Let's put this over here. We do have the certificate right there, West Point. Proof. All right. 99.9% silver. I'll just put that there for now, I guess. And let's take a look at this one. Of course, we gotta pop it out of the box again. Push from the back. Well, I don't know if I ever took this one out of here. It is stuck in there. All right. So here we go. Let me just put this box back together. All right. So here we go. This is the West Point proof. Let me got it dirty by wrestling it out of that container. Pretty nice. Let's look at the back. We can see the W up there by the tail feathers. Let me wipe it off a little bit. Get my smudgy stuff off of there. Looks pretty good. So that proof-like finish is hard to capture. But let's put it over on the coin cam again. Again, this is the West Point. There we go. She's a good-looking gal. All right, again, nothing on that mirror finish is actually there. That's just coming off the capsule. Light bouncing off it. Pretty nice. Let's flip it over. There's the back side. The eagle is landing, or has landed. Clipped wing and all. And we have a W on there for the West Point Mint. And again, it looks pretty much flawless to me. But what you see is what you get right there, folks. That is what you'll be receiving. So yeah, flip back over here. And there you go. This is the West Point Proof American Silver Eagle. Let's put this back in the box. Alright, set it down. And let's look at our third one here. We'll see what the C of A says on it. The C of A says it is the West Point Uncirculated. Alright, so this will be the uncirculated version of this coin. That came out of the box very easy. You can see here it does not have the proof finish. This is, you know, like a brilliant uncirculated coin, like when you just buy them out of the tube. That's what they look like. And it does have a W on it for the West Point. We will stick it under the coin cam and get a closer look at it. Move this out of the way. Coin cam it is. Right up there. Let's flip over. Let's move it down a little bit. So there you go. Looks good, huh? Move it around a little bit. Let's see a lot of the things you may see come off of the reflection of the light. Flip it over. There's a West Point mint. Looks to be in awesome condition, which you have to watch out for with the U.S. Mint nowadays. I've seen some complaints about those Morgans not looking too good. But these look to be about flawless. And so these would have the security feature on them. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it through the case. Pull it down a little bit. Probably would be better to come back to my other camera and do it. See if we can see it on this one. See it right there? See the missing reed? Right there. So I didn't show it on the other ones, but let me verify that the proof coins have it on there. I guess I never verified it because I assumed that they did, but let's take a look at one of these proof coins. This one was easier to get out of the packaging, so let me try this one. Pull it out of there. Oh, sure it was easier. Oh, yep, sure enough, it's got the missing read on the proof coin as well. All right, that was the San Francisco treat. Put this back in the box, and again, boxes are in perfect condition. I will ship them wrapped up in bubble wrap or whatever I need to do to keep them safe, so they arrive to you perfect as well. And that's what I have, folks. We're talking about buying or trading. Looking for a trade? You looking to trade something? This box looks like it's weird, but it's only because you can see the white ledge of the packaging. Nothing wrong with the box. So what do you think? Would you like to make a deal? If so, contact me at tb@talkingbullion.com. And why don't we see what we can do? These are definitely collector's items. These are not available anymore. These have been sold out. So let me know. Thank you very much. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.